Voiceover script. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest debates in e-commerce, Shopify versus WooCommerce. Which one should you choose to build your online store in 2025? Let's break it down step by step. 1. Setup and ease of use. Shopify is a fully hosted platform. That means you don't have to worry about buying hosting, installing software, or managing security. You sign up, choose a theme, add your products, and you're ready to sell. It's built for beginners. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a free WordPress plugin. To use it, you'll need your own hosting, a domain name, and WordPress installed. The setup process takes more time and may require technical knowledge. But in return, you get more control over every part of your site. 2. Cost. Shopify has a fixed monthly fee starting from around $39, plus transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments. Apps and premium themes add to the cost. WooCommerce itself is free, but you'll pay for hosting, security, themes, and plugins. The good thing is, you can start very cheap, especially with budget hosting, but as you grow, costs can rise depending on the tools you add. Number 3, customization and flexibility. This is where WooCommerce shines. Since it's open source, you can customize anything: design, checkout process, product pages, even backend code. There are thousands of free and paid plugins that let you add features like memberships, bookings, subscriptions, or advanced SEO tools. Shopify is more limited. It has an app store with plenty of integrations, but you can't control the backend as much. The customization is smoother but less flexible. 4. Payments and fees. Both platforms support gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and credit cards. With Shopify, if you use third-party gateways, you'll pay extra transaction fees. WooCommerce doesn't charge extra for using outside gateways, making it cheaper in the long run if you process high volumes. 5. SEO and marketing. WooCommerce is part of WordPress, which is known for its strong SEO capabilities. You can optimize every detail, from URLs to meta descriptions, and use powerful plugins like Yoast SEO. Shopify has good SEO tools built in, but it's less customizable compared to WooCommerce. However, Shopify has strong marketing tools, including abandoned cart recovery, email campaigns, and integration with social platforms. 6. Scalability and performance. Shopify handles everything for you. Speed, uptime, and security are all included. As your business grows, Shopify grows with you. With WooCommerce, scalability depends on your hosting provider. You'll need a strong hosting plan for large traffic. While this gives you more control, it also means more responsibility for maintenance and performance tuning. 7. Security. Shopify provides SSL certificates, PCI compliance, and handles all security updates automatically. With WooCommerce, you're in charge of your own site's security, installing SSL, updating plugins, and making backups. It's powerful, but requires more work. Number 8. Customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 dedicated support via chat, phone, and email. WooCommerce support depends on your hosting provider, the plugins you use, and community forums. Premium support is available, but not centralized like Shopify. Final verdict. If you're a beginner or you want a hassle-free store with everything managed for you, Shopify is the better choice. If you want full control, flexibility, and lower costs in the long run, and you don't mind handling the technical side, WooCommerce is the winner. At the end of the day, it depends on your business goals. Simplicity? Go Shopify. Control and customization? Choose WooCommerce. Do you want me to also make a side-by-side pros and cons style breakdown? Shopify versus WooCommerce table style,